This is Beth Daniels, and today I'm here with Rick Nemecek of Nemecek Insurance and Financial Services with locations in Port Clinton and Clyde. And Rick, what do you believe are the reasons that people choose Nemecek Insurance and Financial Services?
Beth, I think there's probably three reasons that come to mind right off the top of my head. First, price. Nowadays everybody's very price conscious. We see it in all the ads. Everything's talking about save, save, save. So we're fortunate. We always have very competitive pricing, and I think with the products, the specialized products, the all-encompassing coverages we offer, a lot of times we can show a lot of value for that price. So that would be the first reason. Second would be the company, Nationwide Insurance, our primary carrier, very well respected, very good reputation in the industry, and again, they put together these products that offer a lot of coverages other companies don't have. And probably a third reason will be our staff. Our staff has over 20 years experience for each person. They're all licensed people, so we really have some very strong advantage there in the fact that if people want to sit down and talk to somebody, we have some of the best people for them to deal with.
They can have that personal touch.
Exactly.
Now, with all of the insurance information and services that are available these days online, why would anyone need to deal with a local agent?
That's a great question, Beth. A lot of times today people seem to think they can go online or use an 800 number and save money by cutting out the middleman, cutting out the local agent. But in fact, in most cases, pricing is identical. It doesn't matter whether you buy your insurance online, over the phone, or from an agent. You're going to have the same premium cost. The advantage is if you have an agent, a local person you can sit down with and talk to, you can get answers face to face. A lot of times those discussions will bring up other questions. And when you're in a stressful situation like an insurance claim, you want somebody you can sit down and talk to. You don't want to be dealing over the phone or typing information in on a keyboard. So I would say that's the real reason.
And Rick, what's the single most important thing you'd encourage insurance consumers to review on their policies?
I would say absolutely the most important thing on their insurance policies today is the liability coverage. If you as a consumer, as an insurance client of ours, had a small fire in your garage or had a small accident with your car, you could weather a $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 claim if you had no coverage whatsoever. But if you were involved in an accident of some kind and were sued for $500,000 or $1 million and you only had $100,000 in coverage, that's a big storm to weather. And really, today's world, liability is very inexpensive, and we try to get our clients to understand the importance of it and the fact that for another $10 or $15, they might be able to have another $100,000 or $200,000 in coverage. So I would say absolutely, liability is the thing everybody has to take a look at.
Well, thank you so much, Rick. And if you'd like more information or to meet with Rick to get a quote on all of your insurance needs, please call 1-800-686-3474. Thanks, Rick.
Thank you, Beth.